Yes, I can see y'all.
Oh, there you go. He right here, right there.
Hey, that boy Corey more fast than a motherfucker.
Hey, run that way, y'all. Run that way. Tell him run that way. Look.
Go get him, Bucky! Go get him! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here, come on! Go get him, boy! Go get him! Go get him! Hey, Kobe, run to your car!
Do it. You ain't no lie, but you don't do it.
Jump on top of it!
Oh, fuck. It's open.
Man, jump on top of the trunk!
Jump on top. Go. Go, 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 go. 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 Jump on top of the car.
I can't jump on my car, that was too clear!
Man, just run.
You ain't no lie, but you don't do it. Alright.
You can make it from right there.
Fool, you can make it from right there, fool.
Go, we get him right there!
I wonder if I can beat that nigga.
I think you can. Last try, fool. Yeah, I know you can make it to the gate.
Oh, is it long?
Man.
Hold on, hold on.
He was faster than that, though.
Original line. Get the dog, get the dog.
Alright.
You gonna do it, nigga?
Oh, shit.
Man, that's some funny shit. I know that okay.
Hey, come here, Bucky.
Oh, that's the funniest shit.
You finna do it.
Go, Chris. I know, man. You can't fuck with me.
You gonna see?
I know me, man.
Get him, Bucky. Man, I gotta get some drink, man. Your door open?
Yeah.
Get some drink.
Hey, Chris finna do it.
You got a bike?
You know he can't fuck with me.
Tell me when you ready.
Hold up, that hoe wasn't that close on everybody
Yes,
else.
it was.
Hell nah. Hey, well, I gotta go
Mike,
to the
you
gate.
gotta run too?
Yeah. No.
They tighten on my belt.
Oh, Chris, you might well take him off. What? Your son?
Nah, I don't need to.
That boy, man.
Oh, look at that hoe. Look. You know you can't fuck with me,
It's
little
Josh
fool.
Field, man.
Go, but get him, Bucky.
You almost caught me?
Hell yeah.
While I was going to the gate.
He helped Chris ass up too.
Hey, jump on the ground. Your turn, Mike.
I ain't doing this shit. That's my dog.
I didn't see me in the chorus.